1994. Marie, as her friends call her, describes herself as moody, frank, but in a good way, and a loving daughter. Her parents are Effie and Alma Belvis. Her favorite subject is math and wants to take up business management in college. She wants to be a successful entrepreneur someday. And her hobbies include surfing the net, chatting, watching TV, and hanging out with friends. Her greatest achievement, according to her, is passing the University of the Philippines College Admission Test. Almarie Grace T. Belvis, candidate number 6.